Hello everyone, I'm Alina Alexeyeva. I'm the account manager of AliExpress team here at AdmitAd. Today we're going to talk about the first steps you need to take to work with AliExpress affiliate program. We will tell you how to apply for the program, how to get the most out of it, and how to not break any rules. First, you need to apply for AliExpress program. Once you get approved, you can create an affiliate link. Then you post it on your ad space and attract traffic. Each time someone purchases something through your affiliate links, you will get a commission. So how do you create an affiliate link? We need to go to AliExpress program on AdmitAd website. Please pay attention that we are already logged into admitad.com and we already joined AliExpress program. So to create an affiliate link, you need to go to Banners and Links here in the menu on the left, and then to Deep Link. Let's say we want to create an affiliate link to a certain product, for example, this one. So we copy the usual link from AliExpress website and paste it here in the target page field. Below, in the new affiliate link field, we get the unique publisher's link. This link can let us determine that the order was made through the affiliate link of this exact publisher. We can establish that with the help of tracking parameters in the link. We can also use landing pages, also here under Banners and Links. You can choose any promotional or standard landing page and lead your traffic there. For example, AliExpress is running the permanent under $5 promotion. So we click on Get the link, copy the link, and we can lead our traffic to this page. Commission rate depends on the product category. AliExpress gives 2.3% for consumer electronics, 6.9% for clothes, accessories, home and garden items, and 5.4% for all other categories. Also, AliExpress has a special hot products category, where the commission rate can reach up to 69%. These products are provided by sellers who are ready to pay a higher reward to the publishers. To view the full list of these hot products and their corresponding commission rates, you can click the Hot Products tab here on the left. You can either download the whole feed in CSV or XML format, or you can search for a certain product right here by typing in a keyword here in the search bar. For example, let's look for t-shirts. Here we can see the full list of all t-shirts from the feed. Please pay attention that the feed is regularly updated, so you need to make sure that it's always up to date. So how do we begin to work with AliExpress program? First, we need to get familiar with allowed and forbidden types of traffic. The allowed types of traffic mean that the advertiser allows publishers to drive traffic from these sources. For example, a publisher can create a page on Facebook and post affiliate links there and get commission from each purchase made through these links. So the allowed types of traffic are in-app advertising on social media, Facebook, Instagram, etc., cashbacks, YouTube channels, blogs, loyalty programs, coupon websites, and marketplaces. Types of traffic that require approval are contextual advertising, doorway, email marketing, and teaser networks. You can request approval either before or right after you apply for the program. You can do it through the ticket system or through your personal manager if you have one. We recommend you to do it as soon as possible because otherwise your application can be declined. The forbidden types of traffic are public groups on behalf of the advertiser, pop-up, pop-under, click-under, brand bidding, incentive traffic, toolbar, and adult traffic. You applied to join the program, but after some time you see that your application was declined. Why did it happen? Even if your ad space belongs to allowed types of traffic, we cannot approve inactive or empty ad space. So before you apply for the program, please make sure that your website is fully functional and everything works properly. We can decline your application if you do contextual advertising, but you didn't contact us through the ticket system or your personal manager to request approval. And even if you did this, we can refuse to connect you to the program if you violated the rules of other AdminTED programs. We can open the publisher's profile, and if we see a lot of tickets from other managers complaining that this publisher is brand bidding, we are not going to let you join the program. But let's say you were connected to the program. What product categories should you start with to earn more? The top categories are the categories that offer the highest commission rates. Mobile phone accessories, women's, men's, children's clothing, home and garden items offer 6.9% commission rate. Mobile phones and computer peripherals also belong to the top categories, even though the commission rate is 2.3%, but because the average order value is quite high, publishers' reward can be significant. If you have the opportunity to attract traffic from different regions, here is the list of top countries. Buyers from these countries purchase something on AliExpress more than anyone else. These countries include Russia, the US, Ukraine, France, Brazil, Israel, Poland, UK, Belarus, and Germany. Top types of traffic that can help you earn with AliExpress program are cashback services, websites, and social media groups. What do you need to keep in mind to have a long and successful cooperation with AliExpress program? First of all, do not violate program rules. Do not use forbidden traffic types, such as brand bidding, pop-up, pop-under, etc. Do not let your conversion rate be too low. What do we consider low conversion rate? For example, you have 0 orders, but the amount of clicks is more than 1,000 per day. Or your conversion rate is lower than 0.3%, but the amount of clicks is more than 5,000 per day. We can also disconnect you from the program upon the advertiser's request. It happens very rarely, but when it does, it usually happens when AliExpress sees a lot of returned orders made through your affiliate links. And finally, we would like to mention that AliExpress is one of the most popular programs among AdminTED publishers. And it's not surprising, it has a lot of advantages. It's a famous brand. Who hasn't heard of AliExpress? AliExpress affiliate program works with all regions in all countries. It has high approval rate. Currently, it's more than 95%. Low prices, large variety of products, and free delivery is what makes AliExpress so popular among its users. And we offer high commission rates. So what are you waiting for? Join AliExpress program, stay tuned for new promotions, and earn more. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And have a nice day. Bye-bye.